Why most Indians struggle to save money? India is the fastest growing major economy, but still 75% Indians don't have even rupees 25,000 saved for emergency. Why? Today's video will reveal the real reasons why most Indians fail to save and more importantly how you can escape this trap. So watch till the end because the last session will give you a 5-step savings plan anyone can start today. Cost of living versus income gap. Most Indians think they have a savings problem, but actually they have an income problem. Why? Prices increased rapidly, rent, food, transport bills. But salary growth remains low. Income didn't keep up with lifestyle cost. For example, in 2010, family monthly expense is rupees 15,000. In 2025, same family expenses equals rupees 40,000 plus. Salary increased only 30 to 40%. Even disciplined people can't save because savings equals income minus expenses and the gap is shrinking. Culture and social pressure. India has a strong culture of status display. People spend on weddings, festival, gifts, family expectations, social media lifestyle. लोग क्या करेंगे? For example, a family earning rupees 50,000 spends rupees 3 lakh on a wedding just to show respect to society. 2 years of income gone, savings gone. Most Indians don't spend for themselves, they spend to maintain an image. Lack of financial education. Schools teach Pythagoras theorem but not how to invest, how to budget, how to handle credit, how to save tax, how to grow money. So, people start earning without understanding basic money rules and fall into traps. Credit card loans, personal loans, zero savings at month end, spending first, saving later. Financial education comes only after making mistake. EMIs, credit culture and easy loan. India has become EMI driven. People buy everything in installments: phone, bike, laptop, sofa, even clothes. Why this is dangerous? EMIs feel small individually but together they kill savings. For example, phone EMI equals 2000, bike EMI rupees 3500, laptop EMI rupees 2000, furniture EMI rupees 1200, credit card minimum equals rupees 1000, total rupees 9700 monthly. Savings destroyed. Loans make you feel the rich today but poor for years. Lifestyle inflation. When income goes up, spending goes up even faster. For example, first salary rupees 20,000 comfortable, later salary rupees 40,000. Instead of saving, people upgrade. Costlier room, weekend trips, eating out, online shopping, subscriptions. Even with high income, savings equals zero because lifestyle expands as fast as salary. Lack of discipline and no plan. Most Indians have no monthly budget, emergency fund, investment habit, fixed savings goal. They live in "we'll see later" mode. Without a plan, money slips away silently. Common habits: savings after expenses, always zero. I'll start from next month. What difference does rupees 500 make? Ignoring small expenses like food delivery, subscriptions, impulse buys. These tiny leaks destroy long term savings. Job uncertainty and family responsibility. Large Indian family depends on a few earners. Only salary supports parents, kids, relatives, functions, emergency. Plus, today's job market is unstable, especially IT and private sector. People feel insecure, they can't save because they feel pressure to spend on family needs first. 5-step savings plan for every Indian. Step 1. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and investments. If income is tight, start with even 5 to 10%. Step 2. Automate your savings. The moment salary comes, auto transfer to an FD, SIP, RD or separate savings account. If you don't see the money, you won't spend it. Step 3. Build a 6-month emergency fund. This protects you from jobless, medical emergency, business issues. Start with 1 month, grow to 6. Step 4. Avoid EMIs, expect home loan. If you can't buy it with cash, you can't afford it. Reduce impulse spending. Step 5. Upskill and increase income. The best savings hack is higher income. Learn skill, switch job, freelance, side hustle. More income equals more savings. India is changing fast, but your financial future will not improve until you take control of it. Saving money is not about being rich, it's about being prepared, stress free, and independent. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more financial awareness content.